Hi everyone, I'm Thomas. I'm a tutor with over 10 years of experience and the founder of TeachGenie, the #1 tutoring platform for getting ahead. This is one of our SAT practice problems that is very similar to some of the ones you'll see on the test. This one tests logical transitions and your understanding of them. Expanding a business into international markets can significantly increase overall revenue. Blank. It introduces complex logistical challenges regarding shipping and local regulations. Okay, so before looking at the answers, let's come up with a transition we think would work. So the first sentence talks about an increase in overall revenue, but the second talks about complex logistical challenges regarding shipping and local regulations. Now, the first one is positive for businesses, the second one is negative. So what we're looking for might be something that introduces some sort of contradiction or some sort of problem more easily. So looking at the answers, we see at the same time, consequently, for instance, and therefore. Now, consequently means that the first one causes the second one. Now, that might not quite work because it's not quite saying that, an increase in overall revenue would cause the second one isn't necessarily the best answer here. For instance, means that the second sentence is maybe an example of the first sentence, which is not quite right, not quite what it's talking about. Therefore, means that the first one you can assume wouldn't actually lead to the second one, which isn't the case. You can't assume that this positive is going to necessarily cause this negative. This is new information that you couldn't have necessarily deduced from the first one. Now, at the same time, this is actually a perfect transition because it shows that the first one might be true, but it at the same time can also be the same as saying but or something similar as that. Like, oh, this might be true, but at the same time, this is also true, and this is a problem, which is why A is actually the best answer in this situation. I hope that was helpful for you guys. And if you need more expert SAT help just like that, make sure to go to teachgenie.com. And as always, here's to better learning.